I'm Paul Dlugosh. I'm the project manager for this project here at Billy Bishop Toronto City Airport. We're here constructing 140 meters of new dock wall for the airport to rehabilitate the old one that was reaching the end of its service life. Communication's a big thing. Lots of people involved, lots of logistics to plan out. We're working on the island and we have a yard offshore here, so just coordination is a big thing to make this project successful, and the team's done a great job at communicating. Our role here on the project, we're the general contractor. Our work involves demolishing the existing dock wall that reached the end of its service life. We're installing a new combination wall, which is a pipe and sheet pile system with rock anchors reinforcing it. We're also responsible for installing a new precast concrete coat beam and asphalt paving once the work is done. So one of the biggest unique features of this project is that it's situated on an island, not only an island, but adjacent to an active airport. So there's a lot of logistics and people involved in terms of stakeholders, other people using the space. So it all starts with proper planning, weeks and weeks at the start of the job. Every week we have meetings to discuss the plan forward. Our team does a great job during our pre-start meetings to discuss the plans for the day, making sure everybody's aware of what's going on and the work that needs to be completed. For the combination wall, we decided to use a hanging lead system with a down-the-hole hammer. Main reason for using that system here is because everything's situated on marine plants or barges, so it gives us the flexibility to optimize the use of our crane. For the rock anchors, we're using a small diameter drill rig, again situated on a marine plant. This kind of highlights the work we're capable of performing. Again, we're acting here as a general contractor, so we've taken on the entire scope of the project. And obviously, as you can see behind me here, we began installation of the new precast coping to provide the client with a final product that meets their expectations. What makes us the right fit for this type of project is that majority of the work here is our base business. We have internal capabilities for value engineering. We have an in-house manufacturing and design team for custom equipment, which we did implement on this project. So we're able to take this approach and apply it to projects like this and basically be the sole provider with working with some specialty partners to get the job done.